Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome back to your channel, your go-to-go channel for the latest job opportunities and career tips. So what if you are passionate of data could fuel the future of global travel? So imagine working at the intersection of cutting edge AI and travel industry where your models don't just sit in notebooks but actively shape the journey of millions of worldwide. So welcome to American Express Global Business Travel where your data skills meet real world impact. So this is a very great opportunity for someone who wants to start their career or someone who has already experience working into data science profile. So stay with me till the end to know all the details, including eligibility criteria and everything you need to know, like role details, responsibilities, and all that stuff. And also, if you are new here, subscribe to our channel for onwards for daily job updates because we bring three important hirings daily on this particular YouTube channel. And also turn on the bell icon so you keep getting notifications once we upload a new video. So now let's dive into the details. So as you can see, the role is of a designation is associate data scientist, and it is based out of in India. They have not mentioned the exact location. Maybe it can be over pan India location. So all the offices located in India for American Express. Let's understand as the little bit about the get the overview of the role a little bit. So, as an associate data scientist at Amex, which is American Express GBT team, you are not just building models; you are building smarter travel experience. So, your mission is to prepare and experiment with advanced predictive and preemptive models, working hands and build and operationalize AI/ML solutions that improve decisions for travelers, travel managers, suppliers, and clients. Contribute to enterprise level big data and analytics projects across multiple domains. This isn't just a support role, you will be a part of the core analytics engine powering a global travel company. So let's understand the key responsibilities for this particular role. So yes, as you can see, that I mentioned the okay, uh, what you will be doing basically. So it's going to be the key responsibilities for this particular role. So you will be basically using AI and machine learning to solve complex business problems, working with structured and unstructured data to extract meaningful insights, product focus analytics, and like you will be basically collaborating with cross-functional teams on full scale and product development and deployment as well. Applying a lean startup mindset, propose, prototype, iterate, and deliver. These are also some of your work and operational intelligence, like you will be building tools and dashboards that help the company make smarter operational decisions, integrate models to real-time systems that respond to business needs. So skills and qualifications needed for this particular role is going to be okay. So as you can see, that I have mentioned over here. So you must have a strong proficiency in Python programming language, along with a solid foundation in AI, machine learning, statistical modeling, and passion for building real-world product-grade solutions, not just theory. So bonus is if you have experience working on big data platforms, data visualizations, or operational ML pipelines is a huge plus again. So if you have these skills, it's a bonus plus, or still you can apply even if you are freshers with good knowledge in Python, you can apply. And best part here is that if you don't meet every requirement, as I already mentioned, right, they encourage you to apply if you are passionate about the role, if you want to know more about the role. And let's understand the work culture about the Amex. So at Amex, GBT travel is more than a perk; it's purpose. Uh, what you will be, why you will be loving to work here is that you will get flexible benefits from day one, including wellness, health insurance, etc., parental leave and adoption assistance, so weekly travel perks, access to 20K plus learning courses, leadership tracks, and first look at internal job opportunities. And along with that, we'll also get global inclusion groups where safe spaces for collaboration, etc. Plus a culture of equity, accommodations, and compassion. So, how to apply? Just go to the link in the description and apply as soon as possible. We have mentioned a direct link for this particular job, and just go and apply as soon as possible before the link gets expired. So yeah, this was all about this wonderful hiring, and deadline they have mentioned is 23rd of May. So you still have 10 days to go, but still try applying on priority basis to be eligible for this particular role. So yeah, this was all about this wonderful hiring. So if you are a data enthusiast and is ready to shape the smarter journey, tackle complex real-world problems, and grow in a supportive, inclusive global team, then this is your chance. At Amex GBT, it's more than just a job; it's an opportunity to use data for good at scale. So why to wait? Apply today and take off on a data-driven adventure that changes the way the world travels. So yeah, don't forget to like this video, share this with your friends and colleagues who might be interested in this particular role. And Also turn on the bell icon so keep getting notification once you upload a new video. And also you can join our Telegram and WhatsApp community for daily job updates and career tips and guidance. Yeah, this was all about this wonderful hiring. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.